Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's our Leetcode Daily challenge problem is minimum time difference. Okay, so what does the question state? In this question, basically you are given with a list of 24-hour clock time points in this particular format, hour, and minutes format. Okay, and you have to return the minimum minutes difference between any two time points in the list. So this is the given vector time points. It contains two values, 23 hours and 59 minutes and 0 hour and 0 minute. Okay. And what you have to do is you have to return the minimum minutes difference between any of the two values. So if I choose these two values and if I find the minimum minutes difference, it would be 1. Okay. Because see, in this particular value, if I add 1, that means it will become 0 hour and 0 minute only, because like 24 hours, but 24-hour 0 minute is represented as 0 hour and 0 minute. Okay. So the answer is 1. Similarly, in this time points vector, if I find two values, if I choose two values, so basically if I choose this value and this particular value, the minimum difference between the minutes is 0 only. So I will return 0. Okay. Hope you understood this question. So for solving this particular question, what would be our approach? So what I will do is, firstly, I will convert all these values into the minutes. Okay. I will make another vector called minutes, and I will iterate through this time points and on each iteration, I will convert this particular value into the minutes and store in the minutes vector. Okay, in the minute format. Okay, so for this, as you can see, I'm iterating through this time points vector. Okay, and from that time, basically, I'm extracting the hour and minutes. Okay, so the hour is from 0th index, like two values from 0th index, so 0th index and 1 index. Okay, and from the third index, two values, that is 3 and 4th value. Okay, so I am basically taking the substring of 23 and 59. I'm sending these two values into this s2i function, and in this hours variable I'm storing the hours value, and minutes I am storing this minutes value. Okay, now I have to basically convert it into the minutes. So for that, I will basically multiply this hours into by 60. Okay, and push that into this minutes vector. Okay, now what I will do is I have to find the minimum difference. Okay, so firstly I will sort this vector. Okay, so the benefit of sorting this minutes vector would be that, see, in if the values are in ascending order, then the adjacent two values will have the minimum difference only. Okay, that's why. So here I have taken this min difference variable. It is initially containing the int max value. Okay, in this I will store the our minimum difference between the two values. Okay, so now what I will do, I will iterate through this minutes vector. I am starting with first index. Okay, because I will compare this I and I minus 1 value. Okay, so initially min difference is containing int max. Okay, and minutes of I minus minutes of I minus 1. So suppose if this is our vector, so if I convert it into the minute and sort it, it becomes 0, 0, and this 24 into 60 plus 59 here. Okay, so currently I am starting from first index here, so 0 minus 0 would be 0 only. Okay, and the minimum of int max and 0 is 0, so in the min difference 0 would be stored. Then I will come here at this particular index, it will be containing 23 into 60 plus 59, and at this first index will be containing 0. Okay, I will perform this subtract operation, compare it with 0, but the minimum would be 0 only, so it will store 1, 0. Okay, now here we have find the minimum difference, but we have to check one more value. Okay, what is it? Let me show you with an example. So here I have taken this another example. Okay, initially it contains three values: 0 hour and 1 minute, 4 hour and 50 minutes, 23 hour and 59 minutes. Okay, if I convert it into minutes format, it becomes 1, 290 and 1439. Okay, now what I am doing is I am subtract, like I will traverse from this on this minutes vector. I will iterate from this first index. So I minus 1 would be 290 minus 1. Okay, 289. So min difference is containing 289 initially. Then I will subtract these two values. It will give this, but the minimum is 289. So the minimum would be 289 only. Okay. Now I have to take this one more extra check. And what is it? it is like comparing the last index and the this zeroth index. Okay, so currently the last index is holding this value 1439 and this is holding 1. So I will not subtract this 1439 from the 1, like 1 from this 1439. Okay, what I will do is, see, these are in the minute format. If you look at this particular clock, the 0th hour and 1 minute would be at this point. Okay, and 24 3 hours and 59 minutes would be at this particular point. Okay, so what would be the minimum difference between these two values? If I directly subtract this 1439 from this 1, that means I'm finding the difference from here to in this particular way. Okay, but see this like if I find the difference in this way, then it will give the minimum value. Okay, so that's why what I will do is, so what I can do in order to find this difference. So what I will do is, basically I will subtract this value from 1440. So what is 1440? That means 24 into 60, 24 hours into 60 minutes. Okay, as each hour has 60 minutes. So that means the complete loop, if I take a complete loop, the total minutes I get is 1440. Okay, and if I subtract 1439, that is this particular loop, from here till here, okay, I get 1. Okay, 1, that is this particular value. Okay, understood. And then the another thing is from this one, and as we have sorted, that means it is from 0 to 1. Okay, so the difference would be this one only. So if I added this one, I got 2. Okay, so now as you can see, the minimum value is 2. Okay, hope you have understood it. So in code, what would it would look like I have taken this circular difference variable. Okay, 24 into 60 will give us 1440 minus this last value that is we are holding in this minutes vector, and the first value, like I will add this first value that is hold that in the minutes vector. Okay, and then again I will find the difference. Okay, and at the end I will find this return this min difference. Okay, so hope you have understood this approach. Okay, the only the tricky part is this particular thing only. As you can see, it is accepted, and now if I submit it, yes, it is accepted. So hope you have understood this problem, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.